Assalamualaikum mga sadik. Join me tonight as we are going to explore and visit the King Fahd Road, or also known as the Dammam Khobar Road. So, welcome to Pinoy Sadik!
Hello mga sadik. I am here now at the King Fahd Road. This road is also known as the Dammam Khobar Road. So we will be traveling this road and I will show you all the establishment, everything that we can. And there you have it, the KFC. Besides KFC is Hardee's and the Krispy Kreme. And that road is the Dammam Khobar Road or King Fahd Road. So latte 13 to 15, cappuccino 13 to 15, and donut is, there are shakes and smoothies 16 and 18. This area is all about chocolates. There are so many chocolate shops at the other side of the road. And besides of the road is the big Al-Gamdi building. Station. If you let's walk through, and we will be going to Atlas Restaurant. Atlas Restaurant is over there with Roma. Before Atlas was there, I think they transfer now here at Roma and Atlas. Oh, now it's a beautiful place. Let's go walking and heading to the bridge. And this is another restaurant with along the highway, or beneath the highway. And that is the chocolate line. The chocolate line and some chocolate dishes. This is a barber shop. And this place is Kubus. I think maintenance of building under renovation. Oh, masala, it's all the time. Let's go walking. This is a pet shop. Bird, there's the bird. Oh, this is a Bukhari restaurant. We will be heading to the bridge. I think this is pharmacy, Al Hayat Pharmacy. And this is bakery. Now close to the bridge. and the bridge is there. So let's keep on walking. This is Nissan for car maintenance. If you have car problem, you can come here and let them check your car. We'll be crossing. And the bridge is only right there. We will go there and we will take a look. This is the bridge in the blue color. And right there is the power gym. There you have the power gym and the new building. And that is Dammam Khobar Road or King Fahd Road. If you go on these directions, you will go to Jubail or somewhere in Al-Hasa. And if you will go on the other side, you will reach Al-Khobar Road. Let's go. We will go up now on the bridge. This is the view from second level. And let's go up. And this is the view from the third. Wow, look at the color of the bridge. It's color blue. Let's go out. Yeah, I'm here at the top. I'm here at the bridge. Look at the view from the top. And that road is King Fahd Road going to Jubail again. And now let's go inside the bridge. The light is changing. It's very beautiful. Should I take a photo shoot here? Amazing. Now the color is green. Look at the color. And this is the power G. Ah, the moon is so beautiful. I want to take a video of the beautiful side of the moon. Very fascinating. Where is the moon? There you have the moon. So I will catch the moon by my hand. I want to have a picture. Oh, the moon is hiding. Very fascinating. Very beautiful moon. Now it's hiding under the clouds. We will wait. So let's go down. At my background, so many lights. The building is very tall and rich color now. Right down below is the gym. So let's go down. Now going down from the last floor. is the power gym. This is the chocolate store, chocolate shops. Everything, every chocolate. Delicious chocolate you like. Variety of chocolate. Look at the shop. The shop is chocolate. See the chocolate. And there is here another shop. And the chocolate factory. Another shop. Another chocolate factory. And this is my friend, a chocolate factory. There are so many chocolate. You can choose whatever you want at affordable prices. There you have another chocolate. And a chocolate factory. I will end this video from here on this place. Maasalamat. Peace.